Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can get Robux without buying. So these are the safe and legit ways. So first is you can make a game or experience. So this is best for a long-term way. So if you can build even a simple game, you can earn Robux. So here is how you can do it. So you can create a game in Roblox Studio. So you just have to download this Roblox Studio and you can add game passes, developer products, or private servers. So when player buys your product, they use Robux. So in that way, you can earn Robux. Second way is to create and sell clothes. So you can also just use Canva. So these are just classic method. So you can design and sell classic shirts and pants, layered clothing. So these are the newer system. So here are the requirements. You need Roblox Premium to sell items. So you just have to make sure that you have the premium account. So you can earn Robux every time someone buys your design. So here are why people like this. It's because there is no coding needed, and also they can use just Canva plus simple templates already work. Third way is to use Microsoft rewards. So these are just free Robux. So this is one of the most trusted free methods. So here's how it works. You can use Bing and Microsoft tasks to earn points. So you can just redeem the points for Roblox gift cards and redeem gift card, and then you can earn Robux from that. So this is 100% legit and safe. It is owned by Microsoft, and make sure that you do not share your password. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!